Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shepard Makudule from Actom John Thompson. What I would like to say is my mind is open so much. The the type of leadership I knew, it was through observation, self-taught. There was no formal training that we had besides the skills that we're taught to do our activities at work. But we were leading without formal education on that, so we can say it was informal. We're informal leaders before, prior to this course, but my mind is opened so much when it comes to how do you self-reflect and your effects, like my actions, how do they affect the next person, how do I address the people, my subordinates, then how do I deal with conflicts like what we did. Then problem-solving techniques as well. Some of them were not even knowing. Fishbone, I only knew 5 whys. So all those things, we managed to acquire them here. So this course, I would like to say, I wish it can be an obligation to other areas as well, so that other people can have this knowledge, not only us. So definitely, I would like to thank Actom management for choosing me to come through to this course. I was surprised when I was notified to say I must come and join. I was not aware what it is about, but when I came here, my mind was very opened. Then I would like to say Daniela is great. Yes. She conveyed the message in a way that we all understood. Everyone, the participation in this class, the unity in this class was very amazing. We come from different companies, but you can't tell. Yes. To say some are coming from retail, some are coming from mining, some are coming from construction. We're coming from different areas, backgrounds, but we were one from my observation. So I did enjoy this course. Thank you very much. Thank you.